What a great day for Apple stock today, and pretty much the overall market was green today. The QQQ up up over 0.7% and the SPY up over 0.3%. So today was a very nice green day, and we had a very bullish close on the technical analysis aspect. So in this video, I want to go very in depth on Apple, on the close of Apple, the price target on Apple, as well as the close on SPY, QQQ, the overall market, the price target, because I have to say that technical analysis is screaming bullish. We are absolutely screaming bullish when it comes to technical analysis. Not only that, I also want to go over some of the economic concerns, as well as next week on Monday. We have a holiday, so next week Monday, market is going to be closed. So I want to give an update on Apple, SPY, QQQ, and the overall market. And I have this video timestamped in the description. If you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe, and please leave a like. And on Twitter, I do post live alerts, live charts. So again, we had an incredible play on Apple, and we are still swinging Apple. As you can see, we had an incredible run for Apple today, which I'll be giving an update today. So make sure to also follow me on Twitter. Now let's get started with the SPY first. I want to get started with the overall market, the SPY, and the Qs. And before I actually get started with the SPY, I actually want to get started with the economic calendar. So this week, tomorrow on Thursday, we do have PPI, which is another inflation catalyst, and then next week on Monday, market is closed. So since we have next week Monday, market is closed, one thing to keep in mind is the position that you're swinging and the theta. So if you're swinging a next week Friday expiration, keep in mind that one day is going to be off, so the theta is going to be taking effect on your calls or puts. And especially for us, if you are swinging the Apple contract, this is our concern, and I want to go over what I will be doing with the Apple contract. So that is it with the economic calendar. Tomorrow we might gap up or gap down because we do have a inflation catalyst. Now let's get started with the SPY. And again, we are just screaming bullish on the SPY. We finally closed above our level of resistance. So now this is a very nice bullish psychological pattern. We could see that we closed on the high. So throughout the day we were trading, but at the end of the day we did get a very good bullish candle. So psychologically this looks good, and that is what matters to us. And then on the daily it just looks even better. We closed above the trend, and now our price target is going to be the resistance, which is around $419 to around $420. So this is going to be our level of price target for Friday as well as for next week. So this is going to be our price target. SPY screaming bullish. One thing to keep in mind is that we really hold this level. If we go back below this trend line, that is bearish, because then we can potentially test the support down below. So we had a level of resistance, a roof that we broke out of. Now the resistance is the support, so we need to hold this level, and below this level, if we go more down below, it is a bearish sign. So we need to stay above this level of resistance, and that is a bullish sign. Next we have QQQ, same scenario, extremely bullish. Okay, looks incredible. The chart is amazing. We closed above our price target is the level of resistance, which is around $313 with the Qs. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, the Qs look amazing and the chart is amazing. So next week, this week, the Qs are popping off. Technical analysis is on spot for QQQ. Now we have Apple. So again, on Twitter yesterday I made a video on Apple, the play. We got in. You could have gotten at market open. I posted the alert on all the discords that I alert for. I also posted it on Twitter, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. but we were up over 40% today, and we held on to the contract. And now we are taking a look at Apple, and it looks incredible. Okay, we closed above the high of the day. The daily candle looks amazing. We take a look at the 4-hour. It looks really well. Our first price target is $157.42, which I mentioned in yesterday's video. If we go on the daily, and we can see that this price target that we are looking at is a major level of resistance, and I'm thinking that we can hit this level tomorrow. And if we hit this level, that is going to be our first price target, and we can start scaling out. So I only have one contract, so I'll be deciding if I want to scale out tomorrow if we hit this level, or we can hold on to longer for 164. But I'm most likely gonna sell out right when we hit our price target, because next week we also have Monday, which market is closed because of holidays. We have data taking in, and then I only have one contract. So if you had multiple contracts, it would be a great idea to leave runners to the upside, but managing my risk and kind of like my profit target, I'll be scaling out and selling out right at this level because I only have one contract. So that is it with Apple. Looks really well. We just need to hold this trend line. If tomorrow we do drop, the thing that matters is that we hold this level. We hold the resistance that we broke, which is now the level of support. So we need to hold this golden trend line for Apple. So that is pretty much it for Apple, for SPY, for QQQ. All look really incredible. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to leave a like, follow on Twitter, and also check out Moomoo, link in the description. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys probably tomorrow. Bye.